In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable speech-to-text or scribing accommodations within the RISE system. First, go to utahrise.org and log into Tide. In the orange menu, select Forms, and then Submit Forms. Select the Scribe request form and hit Select. Then, complete the required information, which includes the school and the student, which type of scribing is being required, human or speech-to-text voice recognition, if this is an IEP or 504, and for which tests this accommodation needs to be applied. Then click the agreement and submit the form. Staff at USBE will then be notified to go in and enable that accommodation for the student. For a student with a speech-to-text accommodation, when they open up their test, say a writing test, they will notice that they have an extra icon in their toolbar, a microphone. In order to use speech-to-text, they need to click on the microphone to dictate their response, and then the words will be transcribed in the text response area. There may be a slight delay with the words being transcribed, and you might see dots while that delay is being resolved. For any student using speech-to-text or word prediction on RISE, please make sure they get a chance to try those tools out ahead of time using either a benchmark or a training test. If you have any questions about speech-to-text, scribing, or word prediction accommodations on RISE, please reach out. You can reach me at brooke.anderson@jordandistrict.org or at 801-567-8393. You can also reach out to the Special Education Assessment Specialist at the state level if you have questions about how scribing accommodations will work on the RISE test. You can reach her at tracy.gooley@schools.utah.gov or at 801-538-7887.